Hello, and welcome to PCB's tutorial on computer basics. In this tutorial, I will be explaining all the components which make up a computer, as well as explaining how to use them. I'm going to try and explain in simple English and not use too many computer confusing terms. These can always be learned later. I will presume that if you have a computer, it has already been set up, and all its hardware and software are functioning within the normal parameters. Remember, you do not need to be afraid of a computer. It is just a machine. Many things can and will go wrong with a computer. All of us, whether we are computer professionals or beginners, will have to put up with the computer errors at one time or another. But don't worry, in many cases, there is a single solution to many problems. So just don't take a hammer to your computer or pour water over your computer. As long as you stick to the basic rules, not much will go wrong. As the saying goes, you learn from your mistakes, and the computer is an excellent example of this. This is a tutorial to help you learn Windows XP Professional. Throughout this course, we will be referencing more advanced tutorials which are available at PCB or Pakistan Computer Bureau. If you would at any time like to practice anything you learn, I would encourage you to do so. There is always more than one way of doing things on a computer. I will instruct you in a similar pattern to which I first learned. If during the tutorial you learn another way to do things, by all means do so. The most important thing to realize is that using computers is a lot of fun. Whether you are using it for playing games, checking your email, or designing incredible graphics, the computer will open up a whole new world for you, and you will be able to access information you could never even dream of. I hope this tutorial will